All right, the second step in all of this is to actually answer these questions first as a group. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go around the circle in your group. I want you to answer the question. Now remember, our questions are these. First question is, what's the moment that you realized that you weren't in high school or middle school anymore? What was that moment? What was the moment like when you walked into the school and you're like, holy smokes, there's a lot of large humans here? Or maybe it was like when the teacher first said, hey, you don't have to ask me to go to the bathroom, just let me know. Maybe it was that moment where you're like, shoot, someone might actually trust me here. What was the moment where you realized, wait a minute, I'm not in middle school anymore? I want you to answer the question, what's been your favorite part about being in high school? And then what's been your favorite part or the best part about Cochrane High School? Now, as you go around and answer these questions, what I want you to do is I want you to just jot down what other people say and what you say. Two reasons why we do this. One, when someone else says something that's really good and you're like, oh shoot, that's awesome, I really liked that. Jot that down. And when you say something and you're like, ooh, I like that, but I wish I had said this, jot down that information because we're gonna have to go film this in just a little bit. So I want you to take the time to jot down that kind of information. So once you're done that, you should have a list of things that you're like, oh, I really loved this when this person said this. I really loved this when this person said this. And you should have that list here before you move on to step number 3.